Hello and welcome back. I'm so excited you're here because today's recipe is one you definitely want on your holiday table. It's OFADA stew, aka designer stew. This stew is so rich, delicious and perfect for family gathering, Christmas parties and end of the year celebration. Your guests are going to be wowed. Come, let's dive in. Wash your meat properly and spice it up with a blend of onions, pepper and garlic. Then go in with salt, seasoning cubes, thyme, water and cook till it's soft. I'm using assorted meat for this recipe. You can use any other meat of your choice. The water shouldn't be too much, just enough to soften the meat and absorb the spices. We are still going to fry the meat. While waiting for the meat to be done, go ahead and prep your peppers. I'm using Scotch bonnet peppers and bell peppers in this recipe. Roughly blend the peppers and pour it in a sieve to drain out the excess water. Don't discard the water, we are still going to make use of it when it's necessary. Checking back on our meat now, it's soft now, so let's take it out of the stock. Now to your heated pan, add your palm oil. Heat it up until it turns a beautiful golden red. Be cautious while bleaching the oil, it can be smoky. Adjust the heat accordingly. Once that is achieved, go in with your cooked meat and fry them. Let them fry lightly till they are a bit brown. Once you're done frying, set them aside. Let's get right into the heart of it. I had to reduce the oil I used in frying the meat because it was a bit much. Heat the oil up and go in with salt and onions. Stir and allow it to cook a bit before going in with your locust beans and pepper mix. If you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share and turn on your notification button. We have lovely recipes to bring your way. Now give it a good stir and go in with your spices. I used garlic, ginger, curry and thyme. I added my seasoning cubes. Stir properly to combine. And I covered and allowed to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes till the oil rises beautifully to the top. Now adjust with a little water. We are using the water we drain out from our pepper. Don't add much water, the stew is not supposed to be watery. Now stir well to combine and taste to see if the spices are in order. If they are not, adjust to your preference. Add your fried meat, cover and cook so that the meat can blend well with the stew. At this point, our stew is about 90% ready, so I intentionally left some Scotch bonnet peppers to be added at the end. This is because of the flavor it adds to the stew. Now go in with your boiled eggs. Stir properly to combine. Cover it and cook for the eggs to absorb the spices and sweetness from the stew. Our sauce is ready. The way it looks so rich, glossy and irresistible, that's exactly how it tastes. It's so delicious and there is no way your friends, your family and your loved ones won't say good things about you because of this sauce. Pair this up with OFADA rice. Of course, you can use any other rice of your choice. Or you can use yam, potato, plantain or whatever you choose to use. It's so nice. For me, my family craved for OFADA rice. So I served it hot over OFADA rice and paired it with fried plantain. It was 10 over 10. Try this and you see your guests coming back for a second and maybe even a third. Tell me who wouldn't love this. Thank you so much guys for watching till the end. Please don't forget to hit the like buttons, subscribe for more delicious videos, drop a comment and share this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice time with your family. See you in my next video. Bye.